In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print selected slides only in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself in need of printing just a few slides from your presentation rather than the entire deck, this guide is for you. Whether it's for a meeting, a classroom handout, or personal review, knowing how to print only the slides you need can save both paper and time. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you have your presentation open, the next step is to navigate to the File menu, which you'll find on the top left-hand corner of the PowerPoint ribbon. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the Print option. Upon clicking Print, you'll see the Print dialog box appear on your screen. Within this box, focus your attention on the Settings section. It's typically the area where you find the options that dictate how your slides will be printed. One important field in this section will default to saying Print All Slides. What you want to do is click this drop-down menu. This drop-down gives you several options, including the ability to print all, print a selection, or print custom ranges of slides. Since our goal is to print only selected slides from the drop-down menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Selected Slides. Now let's say you need to print a specific range of slides. For example, you might want to print slides 5 through 12, as well as the very first slide. In this case, you'll choose the Custom Range option. In the provided field, you can type the slide numbers directly. For the earlier example, you would input 5 to 12 through 1. This tells PowerPoint exactly which slides you're intending to print. Don't hesitate to explore the other settings available to you. For instance, you might want to adjust the number of copies you need or set the slides to print in grayscale instead of color, depending on your needs and printer capabilities. These additional settings are all located within the same Print dialog box and can be quite handy in fine-tuning your printing preferences. Finally, after you've double-checked that all your selections are to your liking, simply click the Print button to send the selected slides to your printer. With that, you've successfully set up PowerPoint to print only the slides that you've chosen, rather than the entire presentation. This skill is particularly useful for managing resources efficiently, so I'm glad you could join us in mastering it. Make sure to check out other tips and tricks in our series for more ways to enhance your PowerPoint presentations.